Hey y'all, it's Jessie Lynn and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. If you're not already, look down below and subscribe to my channel and click the bell and give this video a thumbs up. It means so much to me. I'm fixing to be filming a giveaway. So by the time I upload this video, that one will already be up. So go check it out and make sure you enter. Since I am filming a giveaway, I wanted to go ahead and do my makeup. So I figured I might as well film a look for y'all. I'm going to do a look with the Kiko Milano Sicilian Notes Maxi Eyeshadow Palette. I've used this a few times and I absolutely love it. So figured I'd do a look. And I also wanted to tell about this eyeliner that was sent to me that I am absolutely loving. Today is Saturday. Wednesday the 4th, I went and had my second round of epidural steroid injections in my neck. And they have had me so achy. And now they have me achy and like shaky and wired and wide awake, and so excuse me for that. Just giving a fair warning. Like, I fixed some coffee this morning and I took 2 drinks and I was like, I can't do it. So anyways, there's that. But let's just get started. I'm gonna quit talking. I'm sorry. Trying to find what brush I want to use. First, I'm going to go in with that shade right there. And if anybody has any questions about anything else I have on my face, feel free to ask me. I am just using this shade to make sure my eye is good and set and make sure my eye is good and set and I don't have any creases. Alright, now I'm gonna go in very lightly with that like burnt orange shade and lightly start that in my transition. Well, I'm gonna start in the outer corner and then work it in my crease. And this shade is very pigmented, so I'm going in super lightly. I want to be able to build it up instead of just going in with too much at once. And like I said, at this point I do have an active giveaway going on. So make sure you check that out after this. I'll have it linked at the end. Oh, my neck hurts so bad. It's like right up in here right now. I don't know what's going on, but it just aches so bad. But I'm hoping here in a few days the steroid shots will kick in and they'll be helping, or they'll help, because right now I'm just not getting any relief. Now I'm taking a Morphe M433 brush. And I'm going to go in with, let's see, what do we want to do? Okay, I haven't used this shade yet. I'm going to go in with that like purple dark one that's around that shimmer one in the middle, if that makes sense. I'm not fond of the placement of the shadows because it is pretty awkward, but it's so pretty, so I'm not going to complain about it. That is so pigmented. Oh my lord. I'm just going to keep that in that outer corner. Like, that is so pigmented. I had to wipe some of that off. I like barely dipped into it. But I'm just concentrating that on the outer corner. And add a little bit more down here. And then blend. Who all is ready for Christmas? I am and I'm not. Like, we will start our Christmas morning by taking my youngest to the cemetery to see her dad. So that's never easy. But I will be doing all I can to, you know, spend time with family and see family, and just, you know, that's my goal every year, is to try to make Christmas as easy as I can for her and for my oldest and for me, and make the best of it, because it's a really, really hard time. I miss my husband like crazy, and yeah, but we'll do I'll get together with like my whole family, and there's a lot of us, but we're not doing that on Christmas Day. We're doing it that weekend, and it's gonna be so much fun. It always is. I'm super excited. But I want to hear about your plans. What are you doing? Are there any like fun family traditions that y'all do, like you and your family at home, or anything like that? Like, I love hearing about family traditions. So let me know. And also, like, if y'all do anything fun with your kids, then I definitely need to know, so I can start doing something like that with my kids. Like, I love doing fun stuff with my kids. Alright, I am going to go in with that color right there and just try to focus it like on the outer V just a little bit, just to deepen this look up just a hair. Like, and it's so pigmented, of course. I don't like this brush. Yeah, I'm not digging that brush. This was a brush from one of my Cargo palettes that I reviewed, and I don't know, I'm not really liking it. So I'm just gonna go in with this fluffy BH Cosmetics brush. Like, it's smaller but fluffy. And I'm just barely adding on some just to deepen it up. And like I said, I don't know why I repeat myself. And I love, 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 love makeup. But I am working on doing some more like inspirational and motivational videos, and I want to do some more videos with my family. I want to do more like mom focused videos, just, you know, lifestyle, like my lifestyle, which is kids, family, emotions. Anyways, so if there's anything that you want to see me do, anything you want me to talk about, anything y'all want to see me and my husband, me and my, you know, daughters do, just comment down below and let me know. And yeah, we'll make it happen. That is looking really pretty with that purplish, pinkish, violet, whatever it was. Like, it's deepening it up and it's turning out so pretty. I am loving that, y'all. And once again, if you're not already subscribed, click down below and subscribe. Just do it. You know you want to. I'm gonna take that light pink right there and use that to highlight my brow bone. Alright, I'm just gonna make sure that's blended. Not much to that. Anyways, I don't know what gold I want to use. Okay, that one's more coppery. Alright, I'm gonna go in with that gold right there. This will be my first time using it. Ooh, that is so stunning. You thought I was gonna say pretty, didn't you? That is stunning. I love golds. Like, I just love golds. I did get a little bit down here. Actually, I'm gonna try to have some fun with this. I'm gonna take a brush and actually place some down there. That brush isn't working for me. Okay. Taking just a BH Cosmetics little pencil brush. And putting that down there. Because that is just a really pretty gold. And why not? You know? My stomach just growled. Wonder what my husband's cooking me for lunch. Just kidding. Now I want to take that color right there and put that in the inner corner. That's a little bit darker than I thought it was going to be. So I'm going to put that, wipe my brush off, and then go back in with that super light pink and try to lighten that up. It's not working. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. Too dark. Too dark. I'm gonna go in with that like super light shade and just try to blend that out and make it work the best I can. Oops. If you copy this look or whatever, don't use that shade right there. So I got the look done, and let me apply mascara super fast. This is the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Original. I haven't used this in so long, so I don't even know like if it's any good anymore. Yeah, that's a little dry, but I'll make it work right now and then throw it away. I have filmed one empties before, and I was gonna do another one. I had some stuff and then I ended up just throwing it all away. But I want y'all's opinions of if y'all want me to do another empties video once I get enough stuff emptied. Let me know. If not, then I'm not gonna bother. Why did I do that first? I should have done my eyeliner first. Anyways, okay. So this was sent to me, I will say that, but this video is not sponsored or anything like that. This is Immovable by Mia Adora waterproof eyeliner, and it has a little thing on the bottom so you can sharpen the tip, and then it's just your normal twist eyeliner. I want y'all to see how easy it glides on. Like for me, if I try an eyeliner and it doesn't glide on easily, then if it does, sorry, I was reading a text message. If it doesn't glide on easily, then I'm to the point where I just throw it away. And it's so hard to find them that glide on easily. Like most of them are so like, what's the word I'm looking, transparent looking. I don't know what word I'm looking for, but they're not like bold and pigmented. I hope y'all can see this really bad. Trying to do this and not get my mascara everywhere is not fun. And it lasts and stays put longer than any eyeliner I have ever seen. But anyways, let me, like, can y'all just see how black that is? I hope it's showing up right. And I have a dog that likes to scratch, so excuse the scratches. But anyways, I just wanted to show this to y'all. If you're looking for a really good eyeliner to do, you know, your waterline or whatever, then I really recommend checking this out. It's awesome. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and set everything real quick with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And I already have my lip gloss on. I've been enjoying wearing lip glosses lately. Excuse me. I've been enjoying wearing lip glosses lately if I'm not doing, let me think how to phrase this. Like if I don't have a family get together or I'm not going on a date or going somewhere special, then I've been just wearing lip gloss because it is winter and my lips are so dry. This is the Becca Glow Gloss Champagne, or in the color Champagne Cream, and it's so pretty. Like I said, if you have a question about anything else I'm wearing on my face, please feel free to comment and ask me. And yes, I hope you enjoyed this look. Like, I am so obsessed with this right now. Like, even with that messed up in the inner corner, I think this look is beautiful. I am so obsessed with this palette. If you're not already, make sure you're subscribed. Click the bell so you don't miss the video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your friends, your family, whoever. Like I said, go check out my active giveaway right now. It's so worth it. And also, I, in the past few years, like doing this channel and stuff, like I have bought so much makeup. And it's gotten to the point with my anxiety, like when I go to decide what makeup I'm wearing, it's overwhelming trying to decide, because I'm like, oh my gosh, like I'm sitting here looking at this product I never use, and all I can think about is, oh my gosh, I'm not getting my money's worth. And making a decision in general, it's like, oh my god, what do I use? So I have been decluttering my makeup, and anything high-end that I have not been, or that's barely been used, I'm selling it on the whatever app. Anyways, and so yeah, if you are interested in looking at any of the makeup that I have for sale, I'll link that in the description box so you can go shop my stash. I'm only selling like foundations, powders, eyeshadows. I'm not selling eyeliners, mascaras, or lipsticks. Nothing that's, you know, not sanitary. Anyways, go check that out. Go check that out if you want to. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Toodles.